What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Hopefully everybody's having an awesome day today. Now, if you guys remember, not too long ago I made a video about how to make your Genesis Coupe pop. Now since then you guys have told me quite a few new ways how to make your Genesis pop, so I figured I would make like a part 2 to the how to make your Genesis pop video with all the new ways that you guys have taught me, just so basically I can put them all in one place for you guys to learn how to do it yourself. So yeah, I guess really that's all there is to it. Let's go ahead and jump into this video. There are 2 new ways that you guys have taught me how to make this car pop, and let me tell you what, I previewed one of them in my last video and they sound insane, man. It basically sounds like an AK going off. So let's go ahead and jump into the first way to make your Genesis Coupe pop. So the first way how to make your Genesis Coupe pop is going to be how to make it pop while revving it up. Here's what that sounds like. As you guys just heard, that sounds absolutely insane. So now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to do this. So to make your Genesis Coupe pop while revving it up, it's actually really easy. So once your car is warmed all the way up, all you have to do is turn it off, turn it back on, let everything get readied up and whatnot, and then rev it. And it's really that simple. Now, you could definitely do this when your car is cold, but that would obviously be probably really bad to rev your car up like that when it's cold. So yeah, just once your car's warmed up, turn it off, turn it back on, rev it up, and you'll get some AK shots basically. Now on to the second way to make your Genesis Coupe pop. Now this one is going to be how to make it pop while driving it. So let's go ahead and jump into it. All right, everybody, as you guys just saw, that one sounds really epic as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to do this one. Let's get right into it. All you gotta do is put it from drive to neutral while you're rolling and then rev it, and it'll crack like crazy. So drive, neutral, rev it. And it's really that easy. Now, I always wait until I'm stopped to go back into drive. I don't know if it's bad to do it while you're rolling. That sounded weird. I think I just like crushed a rock or something like that. But anyway, yeah, I always wait until I'm not moving to put it back into drive. I don't know if that's necessary or not, but I do it anyway. All right, everybody, as you guys just saw, really that one is just as easy, if not easier, than the first one to do. Now, if you have a manual car, it's probably even easier because I don't think you need to even go into neutral. You probably just got to put your foot down on the clutch and rev it, and it'll probably pop like that every time. So yeah, for you manual guys, that will be even easier for you guys to do. Now, that is really going to wrap it up for this video, everybody. I just wanted to show you guys all the new ways that you guys have taught me how to make this car pop, and as you guys just saw, it sounds really sick, so I definitely recommend trying it for yourself. Now, one more thing I wanted to talk about real quick before we close this video out is we just hit 700 subscribers, which is absolutely insane because not even 2 videos ago we just hit 600. And once again, all I have to say is thank you guys so much. Like, this seriously means more to me than you guys could even imagine, and I just can't wait to see what the future holds. Thank you guys so much. But yeah, like I said, that is going to wrap it up for this one, everybody. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, do not forget to drop a like and subscribe. If you have any comments, leave them in the comment section below, obviously. Peace out. I will see you guys in the next one.